Hi Beauties! This is Kate.
This is Hara. Welcome to HIKOCO's 2020 First Half Award, aka HIKOCO's COVID-19 Lockdown Award. Can you believe that the first half of this year has disappeared in the air?
From now on, we will be holding half-yearly awards to acknowledge the most loved and adored products from HIKOCO.
The products recognized with each award in this ceremony will be specially promoted in our website and all our other branches.
Alright then, shall we get started? HIKOCO Thanks You Bestseller Award goes to Mizon All-in-One Snail Repair Cream. The first award goes to Mizon All-in-One Snail Repair Cream, winning the HIKOCO Thanks You Bestseller Award. This product has always been in our top 10 bestsellers, but during the first half of 2020, the sales shooted up especially. Recording 3,000 plus sales during the 6-month period, the Mizon Snail Cream received so much love. The reason why this cream is so attractive is because it's an all-in-one cream that claims that you don't need any additional products. After cleansing and toner, you won't need essences or serums or ampules. Just throw in the snail cream and your skin will be good to go. It claims to hydrate, rejuvenate, brighten and nourish, mainly focusing to bring you the glowing, younger looking skin. Even though the main ingredient is snail mucin, the texture is very lightweight, plus it absorbs nice and fast. A round of applause to the Mizon All-in-One Snail Repair Cream.
2020's First Half Best New Arrival Award goes to Some by Me by Blackhead 30 Days Miracle Green Detox Bubble Cleanser. A huge sale rate for the recent arrival. It made over 2,000 sales during the first half of 2020. It's not often that a new product attracts so much interest in such a short period of the time. Our YouTube video of this product even has the highest view count of 50,000 views. I guess everyone was waiting for HIKOCO to stock this cleanser. This Some by Me cleanser claims to detox your skin, removing sebum, impurities, blackheads and whiteheads in only 5 minutes. The 16 different tea extracts and the naturally derived BHA deeply cleanse and brighten the skin as well as exfoliates and tighten your pores. Check out our previous video in the link to learn more about how to use the Some by Me Blackhead Cleanser.
The next award is the Beauty in Your Eyes Award, which goes to Olens' Russian Velvet series. This series was loved by many Koreans as the first ever half-blood contact lenses launched from the famous brand Olens. During the past 6 months, it recorded a sale of more than 1,000 pairs, proving how much of our beauties enjoyed the natural, yet standing out iris color change. The reason why Russian Velvet lenses are called the half-blood lenses is because of its vibrant colors, with natural graphics and small diameter sizes. Olens definitely made this look go viral and set up the new trend with the Russian Velvet series.
Makeup Brew Makeup Award goes to Rom&nd Glasting Water Tint. This one is a real record, Beauties. When our new arrivals announcement has made on 16th of May, both our online store and offline store were crazy, resulting all colors to be sold out within 3 days. For those who missed the sale, we've granted the Glasting Water Tint the Makeup Guru Maker Award. Transparent glossy lip is the new K-beauty makeup trend. So join the craze with this non-sticky yet lip glowing tint. Detailed product descriptions and swatches can be found in our previous video. Click the link above to find out more.
The Never Expected Award goes to Heimish Bulgarian Rose Satin Cream. The Never Expected Award goes to the Heimish Bulgarian Rose Satin Cream, selling 260 in the first half of 2020. This specific cream has its own story time. Roy, who is in charge of bringing in new arrivals and stock, sole-handedly decided to bring hundreds of these when literally everyone said no. When he did, we told him we wouldn't be able to sell it in time, but to our surprise, quite a bit of our beauties enjoyed the satin cream and loved it. Now we have a fan base of this cream and it made itself as one of our fixed selling products. Soft in the outside, moisture in the inside, rose petal-like skin is how Heimish claims its product's effects. This cream brightens the skin and soothes out wrinkles, of course serving its main job of moisturizing the skin. 63% of Bulgarian rose water softens the skin, as vitamin C and niacinamide brightens. The soft satin finish would be what our fans are loving the most.
Hidden Gem Award goes to Bellamonster Sensitive Care Solution Pad Seaweed. Okay, so someone needs to explain to me why no one buys this champion product. Seaweed can sound a bit weird for the skincare product, but I personally fell in love with this toner pad when I first tried out for one of our videos. This Seaweed toner pad is not your ordinary toner pad. What I loved most about this is that the pad is 100% cotton and is best suited for sensitive skin, allowing zero irritation. Its main ingredients makes the pad super moisturizing, helps to soothe sensitive skin, while strengthen the skin barriers. After trying this toner pad for a while, I found my skin to be filled with hydration and my redness is reduced a lot. I reckon this Bellamonster Seaweed toner pad deserves more appreciation. All you sensitive beauties who's searching for the toners or toner pads, trust me and give it a try.
This brings us to the end of HIKOCO's 2020 First Half Year Award.
Please give a big round of applause to all our winners.
All products on this video will be on a special sale from the 3rd of July to the 10th of July 2020.
Starting as of now.
Visit HIKOCO's online store or our offline stores located at Newmarket, Queen Street or Sylvia Park Shopping Mall to meet these products at a special price for the next week.
Thank you beauties for loving HIKOCO, K-Beauties and our products.
HIKOCO and our staff will continue to work at our best to remain as your K-Beauty go-to, bringing in the trendiest products and listening to your opinions for our shop as well.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and thank you for watching.
Bye beauties, let's be pretty!
Can you believe that the first half of it